Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at SEMA 2025, where Toyota has dropped some incredible performance-focused models that enthusiasts can't stop talking about. Let's dive right into the standout features, performance specs, and what we know so far about the price. First up, we've got the 2025 GR Supra. Toyota's upgraded this iconic sports car to keep the thrill alive. It now boasts a retuned 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine, delivering a boost to 420 horsepower. That's a noticeable jump from last year, giving drivers even more power on the road and the track. Pair that with a refined suspension and sportier aerodynamics, and you've got a Supra that's primed for precision handling. Now, let's check out the 2025 GR86. Toyota has added a special edition SEMA package to this already popular model. It's now pushing 260 horsepower, thanks to a refined boxer engine and enhanced airflow. The GR86 is also sitting lower, with a stiffer suspension setup designed to boost stability during aggressive driving. For fans of track days, this one's a treat. Of course, it wouldn't be SEMA without a nod to off-road performance. Toyota's bringing the heat with the 2025 Tacoma TRD Pro. Packed with a 2.4-liter turbo engine, it produces up to 350 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful Tacomas to date. It's outfitted with rugged 33-inch tires, skid plates, and upgraded shocks, ensuring it can handle extreme terrains. Now, let's talk price. Toyota hasn't released exact numbers, but we're expecting the GR Supra to start around $55,000, with the GR86 in the mid-$30,000 range. The Tacoma TRD Pro. Expect a price near $50,000. Stay tuned as Toyota confirms final details. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this sneak peek at Toyota's SEMA lineup, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.